Riya Chakravarti told India Today that the late actor lived life king size. He liked to splurge on his friends. Riya herself, in fact, accused of embezzlement, and Sushant's family claims that she transferred money out of his account, says that Sushant himself liked to live life king size. She rubbished all those allegations of cheating or money laundering. India Today decided to carry out an independent financial forensic investigation of one of Sushant's bank accounts. And this is what is revealed about Sushant's spending behavior. Let's take a listen.
He lived like a star. He lived like a king. He loved it. वो लड़कों को भी ले गया ट्रिप पे. क्या उन्होंने भी उसे फोर्स किया है ऐसा कराने के लिए? और जी नहीं, I was not living off Sushant Singh Rajput's money. We were living like a couple.
She rejected accusations of gold digging.
पेरिस में मेरा एक शूट था एक कंपनी के साथ, Shein, जो कि एक क्लोथिंग वेयर है, उनका एक फैशन शो था. उसके भी शायद सब प्रूफ है मेरे पास. उस फैशन शो में मुझे अटेंड करने के लिए पेरिस बुलाया जा रहा था और मेरी टू एंड फ्रो बिजनेस क्लास टिकट्स और वहां की होटल स्टे बुक थी बाय द कंपनी नेचुरली. लेकिन सुशांत थॉट इट्स अ ग्रेट आइडिया टू मेक अ यूरो ट्रिप आउट ऑफ दिस, सो ही कैंसल्ड दोज टिकट्स, व्हिच आई हैव दोज टिकट्स जस्ट इन केस नाउ आई हैव टू प्रूव एवरीथिंग. He cancelled those tickets and booked first class tickets, and the rest of the trip he paid for the hotels. He wanted to, and I absolutely didn't have a problem with that.
She has acknowledged having accompanied her boyfriend on foreign trips, all expenses paid. India Today accessed at least one statement of one of Sushant Singh Rajput's bank accounts in Mumbai and commissioned it for analysis. Leading forensic financial expert Namrata Kanodia found the star was generous with his spendings overall. A life of indulgence. This statement from a Mumbai bank covers Rajput's transactions from January to November last year, excluding the month of September. The flamboyant actor spent more than 4.5 crores spread over 10 months in 2019. More than 85 lakh on travelling and personal luxuries. He appears to have been a connoisseur of luxury drinks and clubbing.
We saw his 10 months account in one of the bank, and there it was total withdrawal or expenditure, you can say, is around 4.6 crores. And from that 4.6 crores, it is mainly 42 lakhs approx was on traveling. Then comes Reha and her brother. It was around 9.5 lakhs, and which is mainly on like 1.7 lakhs on flight and 4.7 lakhs on Shaunik's hotel stay, and some 3.4 lakhs on makeup and other shopping, etc.
A star's lavish lifestyle. But his spending also offers a peek at Rajput's spiritual side as well. He spent more than 16 lakh rupees between February and April on charity, and around 3 lakh rupees on puja and spiritual products like Rudraksha. But what has surprised the forensic expert was the pattern of payments shown for dried fruits. Purchases under this header incurred close to 5.25 lakh rupees from January 2019 to May 2019.
If you see this summary we have made, it is mainly the kind of amount which is coming and frequency, the way it is coming. It is like, if you see 20th January 19, it is 32,000. Then 21st January 19, again 32,000. 25th January 19, again 32,000. So even if you assume he was buying some gift packets or something, but then also again in February, it will be 36,400, 40,500 again in February. So kind of, round off figure, if you go and buy something in the market, and you buy an absolute amount 32, 40, 46, so that somehow raises some doubt about the kind of transaction that was.
The forensic analysis of the account also shows cash withdrawals amounting to nearly 25 lakh rupees.
Sushant Singh Rajput's bank accounts, at least 4 of them, are being probed by the CBI and the Enforcement Directorate, including the one statement which has been independently audited by our independent forensic expert. It's now over to the investigators for their conclusions. With Devesh Singh in Mumbai, this is Aishwarya Paliwal in New Delhi reporting for India Today.
Hi everyone, Preeti Chaudhary here. Hope you like this video. For latest news and analysis, like and subscribe to the India Today YouTube channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated. Thank you for watching.